Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of ensuring your MSI MS15M1 laptop is well maintained and under warranty. First, let's gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These are essential for thorough maintenance. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting all cables. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the bottom panel of the laptop. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place, as they are unique to your model. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the RAM, hard drive, and cooling fans. Before we dive into cleaning, it's important to mention that if you're not comfortable performing these tasks or lack the necessary tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. Now, let's focus on cleaning. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the cooling fans and vents. This helps prevent overheating and maintains performance. Remember to hold the can upright to avoid moisture buildup. After clearing the dust, take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe any accessible surfaces inside. This is essential to keep your laptop clean and functioning properly. Make sure not to touch any of the circuit boards or components directly, as this could lead to damage. Once you've finished cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the screws or damage the casing. After reassembly, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember that we're here to help with our professional diagnosis services. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your MSI MS15M1 laptop, so make it a habit to clean it every few months. By following these steps, you not only ensure that your laptop runs smoothly but also that you maintain any warranty that may be in place. In summary, with the right tools and a bit of effort, you can easily maintain your laptop. And don't forget, if you prefer, our services include convenient options like pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to keep your device in top shape without any hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.